Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 17th, 2023, and this is a quick trade review. I'm actually reviewing on earnings trades. I'm doing this, throwing this out here because I showed a guy one of my other earnings trades that I had did. He said, it's almost sounding like maybe you got lucky. I said, no, we do this all the time. It's usually a couple, 2 or 3 of them every earnings seasons that I see if I think about to place these trades. Because it's trades that we've been making, over the past few years and all, and they're good trades and all. But like I always say, this is for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation here, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please, please, please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and see if trading is actually something that's suitable for you. And if it is, contact us. Contact me here at Right Side Trading, and let's see if we can actually help you out. Okay, earnings, ROST earnings trade. This is the date that I actually got in on 11/15. The earnings was actually yesterday after the market closed. My plan was to buy this thing at 124 or less. I actually ended up getting into it at 124.25, and then I sold the call right away, a 126 call for $2.30. My plan is to close the trade today and have a maximum profit of $400 on the trade. And right now, ROST is trading above my call strike, so one way or the other, I probably will still hit my maximum profit that I was looking to make on this trade and be okay here. My break-even point that I was looking at, that's usually when I do a plan, I want to know where's my break-even point, even though I know I need to hold this thing. My plan is to hold this thing through earnings because I expect a pop. I'll let you do the homework or do the work to see why did he expect a pop. I'll tell you what I do. I look at history and all for this particular earnings, for this particular product and others that are in that sector and all other stores that are like ROST that actually had a pop. I'm showing you the actual trade information that's up here with the 100 shares that I bought at the price, the call that I actually sold. And let's just take a quick, we'll take a quick look at the chart with you to show you what I was seeing at the time. On the 15th, which was this day right here, we ended up forming a doji. I wanted to be in this thing. That was the reason around the 124 mark that I wanted to be in. I didn't want to get in too high. I didn't know how low it would come back down here and close in this gap on that particular day that I got into it. And I didn't want to, I usually don't want to get in, the day before. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, all based on what I'm seeing. I was seeing this thing was already at a top, so I could have been a little bit more patient and waited and see if it would have came down here to this 122. But that 122 was my break-even point and the number that I knew it probably could come down, but then look at it. It dropped a whole lot more than what I expected. And now my plan was to hold this thing through earnings, which I did. And now, right now, I'm doing the happy man dance because it did work out. And that's what I see. And that's what has happened here on the chart, seeing on the charts. The money now, since I got it at 124 and it's at 127, that's $3 up, but I have the call. My call is going to be at least $1 in the money, so I might get lucky and be able to close that call for $1 less than what I actually paid for and still can make $3 on the trade, and that still would keep me at my maximum profit around 400. And that's about all I really want to share. I hope you were able to follow what I just said, slow it down, go over it again and again, and I hope this is actually helpful, and I'll talk to you later, and let's see how this goes this morning. I hope you guys having a great day. Hope you guys had a great week. And I'll chat with you again this weekend on my weekly market review. Have a good one. Bye.